Hello, welcome to the Factual Point. In this video, we will learn interesting facts about coffee. So let's start. Coffee, a winter's health companion. Winter's chill brings a longing for warmth. Coffee, beyond its soothing heat, possesses numerous health benefits. Step outside, breathe in the crisp air. Let the first sip ignite a gentle warmth within. Coffee not only comforts, but fights against winter illnesses too. This magical brew can enhance mental alertness. It fosters focus, a precious ally during those long, cold winter nights. Daily consumption of coffee can lower the risk of certain diseases. It's a shield, bolstering our internal defenses. Coffee also boosts physical performance. It's the secret weapon you need for winter workouts. Lastly, it's a source of antioxidants. Coffee is your winter ally, helping to fend off the harmful effects of free radicals. Next time you reach for your winter mug, remember the hidden health benefits. Coffee, on cold days, it's more than just a drink. Dear friends, I hope you liked this video, and for more interesting videos, do not forget to subscribe to Factual Point. And take care of yourself. See you in the next video. Bye.